Yo, what is up, y'all? I'm back with another video at Statesboro Power Sports, looking at the inventory right here. We have a HC10, the aka 1000 XMR Defender, and this, I just like this colorway. At first, it had to grow on me, but I really like it. Interior's clean. You really can't go wrong with these Can-Am interiors, especially on the single cabs. Personally, I'd love to have one like this, but in silver. Comes with the snorkels, so instead of having to buy one without snorkels, you get warranty coverage with the snorkels. The warranty still don't cover water damage though, so I wouldn't be stupid with it, if you know what I mean. They got a lot of these C-Forces. These things are selling good. Great alternative if you want to save money, definitely. This right here is one of my personal favorites, the Honda Pioneer. Love the design. Great overall buggy. These things are fast too, and they don't have a belt. It's one of the plus sides to them. The all-new dual clutch transmission on the brand new ones, that's one of the advantages to the older ones. If you don't know what that is, I think it's like the clutch has straight teeth on each side or something like that. So, and it saves money to make and all that. So yeah, that's pretty much what it does. If you want to see what it means, look it up. It'll describe it better than I can. These things are nice. They're mint. And we're about to head to the inside. Still have two RMCs, two-stroke Suzukis. I believe these are RMCs. I think. Yeah, 85s. Yeah, it's RMC. I think that's what it is, yeah. I don't know if it's called... I'm pretty sure I remember them being called that. No, RM. Not the Z, my bad. It's just the RM. It's the two-stroke one. Then this, for any of your younger siblings, tell your parents to come get them a four-wheeler. They can join the experience. Plenty of Honda dirt bikes from all sizes up to a 450. Plenty of System 3 tires and wheels. Front lines, 33x20, great tire. We work our way back over here. A lot of motorcycle options. Recon 250 in red, just like my sister's. Foot shift and all. Somebody come get it. Honda Rancher DCT automatic. It's got direct suspension and all that. A red Foreman and a green one. Both really nice. So this is what I want, but I want the Rubicon instead. Unless these are the foot shift ones now. Oh wait, this one is. This is good for someone that wants a foot shift and a 520. And it's got the storage compartment. High Lifter Ranger. Great side by side. Great interior, like I said. Comes on the 30-inch. Outlaw 2s. Pretty nice looking wheel. Plenty of bed space. Comes with the snorkels like the XMR. It's nice. Plenty of storage. Two little kid-sized Polaris is great for younger siblings. That one's a 200. This is a 110. Plenty of lawnmowers over here. DS90 Can-Am if you want a little Can-Am for your younger siblings. A great option. So yeah, y'all come get at them. I got plenty of stuff in stock. Wheels over there, tires, more tires and wheels. 33 Moto Havocs back there, and some Outlaw 3s and 28s. So yeah, y'all come get them.